Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Steam account with Valve. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your Steam account, start by navigating to the Steam website. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. In the login window, select the Forgot Your Password link. You will be directed to a new page where you can enter your Steam account name or email address. Input the information and click on the search button. Steam will search for your account and display the results. If your account is found, choose to receive a recovery email or text message. Check your email inbox or SMS for the recovery message from Steam. Open the email or message and look for the recovery link. Click on the recovery link to be taken to the password reset page. On the password reset page, enter your new password twice for confirmation. Ensure your new password meets the required criteria provided by Steam. Once entered, click on the Change Password button. You should now receive a confirmation that your password has been updated successfully. Return to the Steam login page and enter your account credentials with the new password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the code sent to your registered device. Once logged in, consider reviewing your account security settings. Make sure to update your recovery options if necessary. This will help prevent future access issues. Now your Steam account is successfully recovered and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.